Hello. Today I'm going to show you this device here. It's a small device with a big bunch of possibility. GlocalMe MeowGo G40Pro. This is a 4G portable HyperConn AI mobile Wi-Fi hotspot for traveling in over 200 and more countries worldwide. It's an upgraded 4G plus mobile hotspot device with an AI HyperConn system. We can speed up to 390 megabit per second. No SIM card is required. Not needed. We have the possibility of 10 connected devices at one time. This is the GlocalMe MeowGo G40Pro, and it is a 2025 upgraded hotspot device. Let's introducing the GlocalMe MeowGo G40Pro, an upgraded portable Wi-Fi device featuring the 4G plus Cat 13 high-speed technology. Experience faster and more stable connections with a download speed of up to 390 megabit per second and an upload speed at up to 150 megabit per second. That's 3 times faster than the standard 4G. And HyperConn and CloudSIM Technology. With a patented HyperConn and CloudSIM technology, this ensures a Wi-Fi access, congestion monitoring, an AI-driven network with their reselection automatically connect to Airplane WiFi. That means never go offline. One device, one account. No more internet anxiety. And the 2-inch 1080p touchscreen enhances the usability. Here comes the global 4G internet coverage. Because this portable Wi-Fi supports global 200 country plus and regions, including America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Oceania, with an access to 390 plus global carriers. This mobile hotspots device here automatically selects the strongest signal of a local carrier. This helping us to stay smooth internet connectivity wherever we are. And we share the Wi-Fi hotspot with 10 devices, because this hotspot can connect up to 10 devices simultaneously. It is easily managed and share a hotspot with our family and friends. With 3,200 mAh long-lasting battery, you can use this hotspot ensures over 15 hours of use time for one charge. Perfect for road trip, RE internet, business meetings, camping, home internet, and more. No contract or a SIM card is required. It comes with 1.1 gigabyte of global data included. We simply download the GlocalMe GlocalMe app. Register and receive an extra data for internet connectivity. Flexible and affordable data plans allows us to purchase service by the day, the month, the region, or the gigabit. This hotspot device also supports a SIM card. We can unlock to see and use at any SIM card. Nano SIM, of course. With your portable Wi-Fi hotspot for traveling, the ultra slim and lightweight design make it easy to carry with you. It is for travel. And this compact hotspot device ensures that we can stay connected on the go without adding an extra bulk. You see, it's small, it's compact, but it's powerful. And this because of GlocalMe. At the heart of GlocalMe, innovation lies in revolutionary CloudSIM technology that empowers users to effortlessly choose the most optimal network coverage from the multi-carriers that speak quality and affordability to no matter where they are in the world. First introduced GlocalMe in 2024. This is a new product series established by GlocalMe that aims to merge smart, live, and reliable internet accessibility into minimalistic experience. Godlike for Globetrotters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback I hope to see again on my channel. Dun dun.